Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, and it's that time of the month. It's my favorites for the month of June, and I'm just gonna go over things that are body products, beauty stuff, and at the end I'll be talking about some of my favorite TV shows for the month as well. And if you guys want any of these things, I'll try hard to put a link in the description box of whatever I find, if they're still available, and the price and anything. So let's get started. The first favorite for this month, I was looking for a new leave-in conditioner, and I was looking for it so I can use it and combine it with the serum oil that I featured in my last favorites, and it was the Ion Silk Drop. I could not find my usual Yes to Carrots conditioner, so I was looking for something else. I went to Ulta and I found this one, and I thought just try it out. It was new. It's Not Your Mother's Naturals Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon, and it's a repair and protect leave-in conditioner, and it helps to amplify softness and maximize smoothness. And it looks like this. It has like a little spritz bottle, and it has this little lock switch here so you can open it and close it. What I really loved and impressed with the packaging was that it spritz out like actual spray. So what I do is when I put it in my hair, I spritz it onto my hand, and I put the oil drops and I mix it and put it all over my hair. Just to give it that silky smooth texture and help it repair from like the dyeing and the bleach and everything. I mix this with my coconut milk oil after showers, and I comb my hair right after, and it smells amazing. It smells really good. I was really impressed with it. It leaves my hair really soft, and I also use it when my hair is dry and I'm gonna style it, and I use that Ion oil. So I mix those two, so you can use it on both wet and dry hair. That's what I've been doing, and I just think it's really convenient to have. It also says it retains vibrancy, restores resilience. You can use this when you style your hair or when you're out of the shower. My second favorite product for this month, I have travel sized deodorant, but it's still not as travel size, I guess. I mean, it would be. And so I found this one at Target. It's the Secret deodorant, and it looks like an EOS lip balm, like the same kind of size, just a little bit bigger than an EOS lip balm, and it opens up the same way and smells the same way. But it's like, you can get so confused and like put this on your lips if you had your EOS lip balm in your purse. But I got the lavender scent because this is the scent that I use, and I just think it's so convenient to just like throw into your purse or throw into your backpack if you're going anywhere, or if you're going to something small and you just throw it into your gym bag or whatever, and when you get out you can just like roll it in. And I just think it's so cute and convenient. Yeah, it'll run out eventually, but it's a decent size. I think this will last probably like 2 months maybe if you use it every day. I use it whenever I feel like I'm sweaty, but usually my deodorant does last all day. But I use this like after the gym, or if I'm going on a walk or something and I just need to like retouch up my scent. The next items that I have are like a 3-in-1 type of thing, and it's these 3, and I'll talk all about them individually, and it's for foot care. The summer's here. I love making sure my feet are moisturized, are just soft, because I'm constantly wanting to wear sandals. It's hot out, it's moist. So I'm gonna start off where I bought them. I got them at Sally's Beauty Store. I'll look for a link if I can find them online and put them down in the description box as well. But I bought 2 and it came with 1 free. First one I got was the Prep, and this one is the Callus Softener, and this one helps remove like hard calluses from your feet. So I put this on in the shower. You're supposed to do it no more than twice a week, and you're supposed to wear gloves when you apply this on. I put it on with a little tool, and I just brush it in there, make sure it's moisturized in there, and then you wash it off after a minute, and it's supposed to remove all the dead skin, anything hard from your feet. And if it doesn't remove, you can always do the second time in the week just to get rid of all the excess. But this one, it's supposed to soften and help buff away calluses to reveal smoother and softer feet, while menthol helps to invigorate and refresh. So yeah, you just squeeze a little drop into your foot and you just rub it in and massage it in. The second step I do when I get out of the shower is I use the exfoliating one. This one is a peppermint foot lotion, and this one smells so amazing, and it contains peppermint aroma and natural tea tree oil, This unique exfoliating lotion removes unwanted rough, dry skin infused with menthol. It provides a range of invigorating and soothing benefits that help give a cooling sensation to tired feet. But you apply it onto your legs or feet, massage firmly until dry skin rolls off, give special attention to calloused areas. It can also be applied to other problem areas such as knees, elbows, and hands. Use daily to keep skin smooth and soft. So I usually do this in case the prep didn't completely get rid of all the calluses. I use the peppermint lotion and it rubs off any extra dead skin, any like bad stuff or like the rough parts of like your feet, and it softens it. It smells amazing. Your feet will be left smelling minty. The third step for the foot cream is the Restore Moisture, and this is an argan heel and foot treatment. And it's supposed to moisturize your feet with natural argan oil, helps repair dry skin, and provides nutrients to prevent further dryness, while natural beeswax draws and seals moisture into the skin, rehydrates and softens dry, rough feet. So this smells really natural and really nice, so I love ending the whole thing with this. And I usually sleep with socks on, even if it's hot outside. I just can't be bothered with taking off my socks. And since trying these, I really love sleeping without socks on my feet, and I just feel really confident in wearing sandals. You won't get dry, cracked feet after a while. I know sometimes you can get cracked feet or cracked looking feet when you're wearing sandals or flats or anything like that, and it's usually when your feet are really dry. And I feel like with this, I can wear sandals all day and I won't get cracked feet. I won't like worry about like looking and feeling like, oh great, I need lotion on my feet. Another one of my favorites for this month has been a cute little accessory that I saw on the Target Instagram, and I was like, I need to have them. They looked beautiful. So me and my fiance went to probably like 2 different Targets to find them because they were sold out, and we luckily found them. I believe you can buy them online. I'm not 100% sure, but if I can find them, I'll leave a link in the description box. But it's these Monstera leaf earrings, and they dangle so pretty. Like, they're just beautiful, and I feel like it adds a nice little detail into any outfit. It's simple, but yet it's kind of out there and you'll notice them, and I feel like it goes with my blue hair. So this is just like the cherry on top with an outfit for the summer. And they're really lightweight, they're not heavy, they won't pull down your earlobes or anything like that. But they're from the brand A New Day, and you can find them at Target in the accessories section. The last item for this month that I really loved, and it's like a kitchen appliance item, and it's something I bought back in February, and I got it at Target and it was only $6. And I thought maybe I'll make cute waffles one day, or just something cute when you want to like host a cute like breakfast or brunch with like your family or friends and anything like that. So I bought this because it was inexpensive, and I just started using it this month. But it's like the easiest, simplest little waffle maker, and I started using it because I had a dream about eating waffles, and I started craving waffles for like a whole week. So I thought, I have a waffle maker, just make your own waffles. So it looks like this. It has like little light to indicate if the surface is hot when it's ready, so you can start cooking and putting in the batter and everything. And it's like the tiniest little thing, and it's so convenient. Like, I do breakfast, or sometimes I do breakfast for lunch type of thing for me and my fiance, and you just plug this in and it's really easy to clean, it's easy to use. I thought this was a good feature to put in because I've been using it this month. So the last things that I'll be talking about are TV shows. So I'm going to be talking about some TV shows that I've been enjoying for this month. One of them being Queer Eye, which is on Netflix, and I just discovered it like the last week of May. I just catch myself really happy while I'm watching it, or even after I'm watching it. It just makes me smile, like cry in like every episode, because it's just emotional, and just seeing these people's perspective on things and their life, and just how much low self-esteem can really affect your life or cripple your life in some sort of way, and how these 5 men just change that and make them feel better. It's just an amazing show, and I would 100% recommend anyone go watch it. I think it's funny. I think it's something you can watch that'll just cheer up your day. I can have a bad day and I'll watch that, and it'll just cheer me up straight up. The second show that I was also obsessing over this month was The Staircase, which is also available on Netflix. And if you're into true crime, then I would recommend this show for you. I believe it's 13 episodes, so it's pretty long, but it follows this case that took place in 2001. I won't give too much details because I don't want to ruin it for anyone who wants to check it out, but it is interesting. I did get a little like bored in the middle, but it started picking up a little at the end. If you guys have watched it, I want to know if you guys know about the owl theory. I haven't talked about it in the show, but it's been insinuated online. So if you guys know about the owl theory, if you don't know about the owl theory but you've watched the show, Google the owl theory. It's really interesting. I would recommend it for anyone who's into true crime or who's into that kind of genre of TV shows. So that's it, guys. Those were my favorites for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorites were for the month of June. I hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye.